Welcome to this Power Automate Flow training. In this video, we will learn to create efficient automated workflows using Power Automate and AI Builder. We begin with the introduction and setting up a manual trigger for the flow. This session explores a complete automation flow using AI Builder for streamlined data handling. Power Automate integrates AI with user input. The flow is initiated by user-provided data, such as invoice files. The flow starts with a manual trigger, initiated by the user clicking a button. This prompts the user to upload an invoice file in PDF or image format. Manual triggers offer flexibility for workflows dependent on irregular events. Next, we will cover capturing customer feedback and invoice processing within the workflow. The flow captures written customer feedback using a compose action to store plain text. This prepares the text for AI Builder's sentiment analysis. Early data structuring ensures smooth downstream processing and analysis. AI Builder then processes the invoice, extracting key data like vendor addresses and totals. Invoice processing is sequenced after customer feedback. This automation reduces manual effort, improves accuracy, and aids financial system integration. We now move to organizing the invoice details and executing a custom AI prompt. A compose action consolidates the extracted invoice data into a clean, structured format. This organization simplifies workflow complexity and enhances readability and maintenance. Organized data also allows for flexible integration. The custom AI prompt uses the structured invoice data for various tailored tasks. Data preparation before the prompt ensures accurate input, enhancing AI effectiveness. Custom prompts enable automation like generating explanations or machine-readable outputs. The final sections cover sentiment analysis and the overall flow logic. AI Builder's sentiment analysis classifies feedback tone as positive, negative, or neutral. This helps detect dissatisfaction early and improve customer experience. Integration enables automated responses and insights dashboards. Sequential execution logic, controlled by run-after conditions, ensures steps execute correctly. This prevents errors and guarantees data availability. Linking dependent tasks maintains a stable and traceable automation process. Alright, so now that we've walked through the key concepts, let's jump into a quick demo in Power Automate. This demo will bring everything we just talked about to life and show you exactly how the pieces fit together in a real workflow. Let's dive into this Power Automate Cloud Flow, a smart, dynamic workflow built to automate customer and invoice insights. We kick things off with a manual trigger, giving you full control over when this automation springs into action. Right after that, we capture customer feedback, the real voice of the customer, which will later help us understand how they're feeling about their experience. Next, the flow steps into action by processing an uploaded invoice PDF. Yes, you can drop in a sample invoice document, and the automation instantly begins extracting meaningful invoice data. Once the invoice is processed, we move into the invoice details stage, where key information from that PDF is pulled out and structured for analysis. Then comes the exciting part: run a prompt. Here, the workflow sends both the extracted invoice data and a region value as AI prompt inputs. Using that region, the AI determines the continent automatically, adding intelligent classification with zero manual effort. Finally, we wrap up with sentiment analysis, where the customer's feedback is examined to assess whether their message feels positive, negative, or somewhere in between. This gives you instant emotional insight, right inside the flow. And there you have it, a powerful end-to-end automation that processes invoices, understands geography, and even reads customer sentiment. Thanks for watching. I suggest you to explore more with Power Automate. Happy learning,